You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, hold this real quick. So, guys, what's going on right now? We are currently about to leave to San Francisco. Sean stayed the night last night. It's going to be a long drive. We're going to drive there. It's the store opening. It's about like an 11 to 12 hour drive. I thought about flying, but the ticket's like $800, so no. That being said, before we go, I just want to say real quick, huge shout out to Dollar Shave Club. They just sent me some stuff. I haven't even opened this yet. The black blade, you already know we're like cloud up in this, so skirt. Oh, that was like not as smooth as I was hoping. This right here is a starter pack, so as you guys can see, you got the razor, you got the heads, you got the shea butter. The shea butter right here, I'm just gonna let you guys know, if you guys need some ladies, you guys need some lady love in your life, the shea butter is gonna do just that for you. These are not just like standard razor heads, okay? These are like straight up, like, look at, you got like 47 blades on that. They sent me this stuff, this is like a little care package, but I wanna show you guys something because I genuinely use their products nonstop. Come with me real quick. Sorry, my place is a mess. We're in a hurry. We don't have time to worry about that. If you guys look up here, you guys can see, like, legit, my shea butter, my hair gel, everything I use is from Dollar Shave Club. These originally were not sent to me. I actually purchased these because I just wanted a good hair gel. A lot of people ask me what I use for my hair to get it to look like Trunks from Dragon Ball Z. That's what it is. So, boom. On top of that, you also have this toothbrush. They literally have everything you need. Like any bathroom essential you could possibly think of, Dollar Shave Club has. So I just want to say, if you guys want to try out Dollar Shave Club, you can get the starter kit. Obviously, they are world renowned for their razors. You can try it out for $5 in the links down below. That will be the top link in the description, so definitely check that out. But also, I'm going to leave another link to their products. That way, if you don't want to just check out that sponsored link, you guys can actually look at their other goods as well, and you can cop some of their hair gels, their toothbrush, their toothpaste, any of the bathroom essentials that you may possibly need. But I need to pack up these bathroom essentials and go to San Francisco, so I'll see you guys in a moment.
Mask off, seeing who it was. Shot his ass. Bro, why is it?
Anyways, good morning, YouTube. I'm tired of shit right now. We're about to go to San Francisco, see what this line's talking about, or see what the, I don't even know if it's gonna be a line. The sign-up situation was all messed up, so I don't really know what's gonna happen. Hopefully we can get in the store. And on top of that, they're supposed to have more than just this week's drop list. They're supposed to have a bunch of stuff, like everything from previous weeks. So we're gonna see what they talk about. How you feeling?
Came here for a t-shirt. No, I'm just kidding.
Big drip. Big drip. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Gonna get your drip up, you know what I'm saying? Ball mains in this bitch.
So,
damn, the man, the myth, the legend pulled up.
thought I wasn't. If anybody was gonna be here, you know, Rax Hogan was gonna be in the building. It's real cool. I like the environment. It's almost like, you know what I'm saying? It's almost kind of like a barbecue atmosphere over this bitch. I don't even see no real setup for a line. Like the security dude just kind of like, yeah, whatever. You know the deal. When it's time for you to pull up, it's time. And it's almost time for that shit to open. So that's kind of cool. I might be out here and fuck around like instead of going to New York.
First item, we got the A-ball hoodie. This bitch ass trolley's interrupting me. My man over here cashed out, got a little bit of everything. Can I open the box logo?
No, don't.
I can't even open it? Can you open it?
Can't you just extend it? Isn't it folded?
Yeah, I mean, you're just gonna, it's
Where's
not
it
a
at?
package, it's outside of a package, it's right here. Oh.
It's not even zipped?
No, of course not. What do you thought it was gonna be in a plastic wrap? Look at that. Damn, look at that orange though. A beautiful place with beautiful people. All right, guys, got the bag. The homie right here helped me out. So I got literally freaking everything. We will unbox this at the end. I'm gonna go over every single piece with you guys, but we literally got every single item they had in store. And this is not just this week's drop. This is like all the gas stuff from the entire season. Oh my God, my day's a lot easier, guys. Just copped some Supreme. And now we just get to enjoy San Francisco. By enjoy, I mean wait and hopefully get first come, first serve and just do the same shit, but not be as worried about getting a box logo. So life's gonna be a little bit more chill, and now I can finally focus on vlogging. Hey Jack.
But you said what?
Can I have those shoes?
No. You're gonna run into a car.
You're being an asshole right now.
I know, right?
Should've listened to my best friend, he's the man. I know he understands.
Yo, what's good, man?
What's poppin'?
What do you think of this Supreme store opening?
It's exciting for the city. I was expecting a shit ton of people, dude.
Yeah, same.
It's pretty dead for
It's like calm, like it's just like. How you guys feeling about this drop?
I'm agitated.
Yeah, what happened with you? Let the people know.
I was allegedly, I botted my spot. I don't know what a bot is. I just know how to use Chrome autofill. Allegedly, that's frowned upon. So I was asked to leave the line. I had
There's a lot of allegedlys in there.
I had the proper credentials and all.
That's crazy.
How they even?
And what spot were you?
14.
Damn, I'm sorry to like bring up the terrible memory again, but I gotta document it, you know?
I feel you. Spidey senses. Spidey senses are tingling though.
Your spidey senses are tingling? You think they're gonna do first come today?
Depends when this video drops.
What's up, boy?
What's up, player?
Copy anything?
Hey,
Of course you did.
But we just copping right now all these. No. We already got the box logo. We got the 8-ball. We got the burner phone. They got
They got a lot of heat.
They got a lot of heat in there, and they're still coming out with that shit.
How you feeling?
Yeah, these are good. I've had it for like 3 years.
Amazing.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm feeling Star Gang about it. What is it called? Gang Star about it.
Bro, take this Aquafina.
Okay, guys. So, anyways, the reason that there was not an update. Don't even think about fucking with me right now. All right, I'm recording. I just know you. You're a little demon, and you're thinking about fucking with me.
Steph Curry.
Ooh, I got it on camera.
But anyways, guys, like I was saying, I definitely spent about $4,000 to $5,000 yesterday. I got tons of stuff, and
I really do have a lot of shit.
you do.
So anyways,
The best part is we ain't even done yet, though.
we're not even done yet. We gotta go back to Supreme right now.
Right
We just
now.
got a picture. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, change your life. It's all THESTARRLIFE. You already know what it is.
That was hella tight. Hey, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me right now at Sean Parker _. That's _.
Quick game. We're gonna see how many high five Sean can get before we get to the car. Woo! There's one. 2, 3, 4.
First person to give me a high five, I'm knocking it out.
Did she flip you off?
The final boss on the level. You guys think we'll get it? Find out next.
It's lit.
She didn't want to do it, but
Like I was saying before I stopped on the bridge, what happened last night was I got in the store, right? I got a ton of stuff. I bought someone's bag, basically every single item. I paid a good amount of money on top. And then I got in the store. I was like one of the last people in the store because they did an in-person raffle. So basically what that means is they had everyone line up, everyone was given a random number, and then the random numbers were picked. 25 of those individuals were able to go in the store. I was one of those 25. The other 200 go in the store today. So he's got a slot right now.
what it do, baby?
So we're gonna go back to the store, hopefully get some more stuff. Hopefully they restocked. I'm gonna do an unboxing at the end of the video. So if you guys want to see an unboxing, make sure you smash that. What do they need to do?
Smash the like button.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
Yup. What else?
Watch it again. I don't know.
Follow me on Instagram, THESTARLIFE, and then you can follow him as well. Good one, fill it
Follow me
out.
on Instagram at SHAWPRKR_.
And once again, we are back at the Supreme store. My man Sean just came out with a bag of goodies, you know what I'm saying?
I got the bag.
So I'm sorry I didn't update you guys or show you guys the process of the in-person registration, but I got good freaking news. They're going to be doing in-person registration at 4:15 again, so you guys will see the process, get a little lowdown on what it's like.
Got no phone.
All right, so I got number 721, so I just have to wait and hope they call my number, and hopefully I get in today because I do not want to come back tomorrow. Oh, I was 2 off. That's one of y'all.
You won. 719. Just won. 719.
Go.
19.
He says I wanna be with her, cannot see her again.
I fucking won the raffle. That's my man. Hey, Will.
So the people over here, royalty, people over there, peasants. Is that what you're saying?
I didn't say that.
For me.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not that impressed. Well, actually, I'm really impressed with the store opening. The store themselves operated really well, and this was probably the best Supreme experience I've ever had in my freaking life. I'm just not really impressed with the box logo, but we'll talk about that and every other pickup that I got. I got so much stuff, basically from the entire season. Usually when they do the store openings, they do not just drop that week's stuff, but they drop hyped items from the entire season that dropped prior to the store opening. However, before we get into that, I do want to take a quick second to shout out this video's sponsor, which is Dollar Shave Club. Dollar Shave Club is an awesome service that you can sign up for using my link in the description below. Using that link, you get a discount, and you can actually sign up for Dollar Shave Club starting at only $5. With that link, it does help out the channel. Of course, when you support the channel sponsors, you support the channel, and it allows me to continue to make content such as this. Speaking of that, if you guys like content like this, smash that like button. It really does help me out. And not to mention, this trip was not cheap or easy. I had to literally drive 12 hours to San Francisco. It was hectic. But that being said, huge shout out to this video sponsors. Like I said, I love Dollar Shave Club. I've been using Dollar Shave Club for a long time now, because for those of you guys that do not know, Dollar Shave Club is much more than just razors or just more than Dollar Shave Club. The name Dollar Shave Club doesn't even really surmise how much stuff Dollar Shave Club has, because they literally have everything from razors to shaving gel, toothbrushes, toothpaste, hair gel, pomade, literally every bathroom essential you could possibly think of, Dollar Shave Club has. So definitely check out the link down in the description below. I'll also leave a link to their store so that way you can check out their other products besides just their razors. They have a ton of good stuff. I use their hair gel regularly, and I actually purchase it myself, so you guys know that it's more than just a sponsor for me. It's actually a service I use, which makes me just that much more appreciative of the fact that they sponsor the channel. Now, moving on, like I said, with this box logo, I wasn't too impressed with the box logo. It's an orange on black logo. On the back, this is a beautiful place with beautiful people, and then it has the address to the San Francisco store. I do like the back of this one better than the Brooklyn box logo, but I'm just like, I'm probably not the best person to judge this, because I'm not really a fan of box logos like that. And I know I'm saying it while I'm wearing a box logo, I get it. However, this is a little bit different. This is like one of the only box logos that I actually purchase and plan on keeping. A lot of the other box logos I buy, I do buy to sell, and these are no different. A lot of these items will get sold on Robotus and Poppy, which is my personal resale page. That'll be somewhere on the screen and in the description down below. And by the way, while we're talking about personal Instagrams, make sure you follow me on my personal page of the Starlife, THESTARRLIFE. I had to freaking scramble to get a picture of this freaking box logo for you guys. So definitely go follow me on that as well. That'll also be somewhere on the screen and in the description down below, along with the link to Robotus and Poppy and everything else. This video is a little bit different because I'm standing and not sitting, so I'm just gonna grab stuff from the freaking couch and we're gonna go over all the items. I got more than just one box logo. I got another box logo right here. I got another box logo that we just took pictures of. I got 4 box logos. So as you guys can see, I got quite a few. The store experience was so freaking amazing. They were so much more like, it's like they actually gave a fuck about the people buying their product, and that is so weird. Oh my god, the San Francisco store is freaking amazing, and I don't know, regardless, I got 4 of those freaking box logos. I also got this right here, which if you guys do not know, I did take an L on, but I got the blue one. If you guys watch the live cop, you guys know that, but this is such a fire piece, one of the best pieces of the season. Supreme embroidered on the back, Supreme embroidered on the titty, all quilted floral paisley right here. This thing is so freaking sexy. But wait, there's more. I feel like one of those freaking infomercials. We got so many freaking goods. We're gonna go over some of the rare items that we took L's on earlier in the season. This right here was an item that I definitely took an L on. I believe this dropped first week, the 8-ball hoodie. This thing is going for dumb bread right now, like $500. And wait, I did not just get one of them, but I also got, wait, where's the other one? There it is. Another one, like DJ freaking Khaled. I got the bandana fleece paisley, and I actually have some other ones of these that I have to unbox for you guys. I have a crazy unboxing coming soon. If you guys want to see an insane unboxing, smash that like button down below. But we got this right here, the black bandana fleece. This thing is looking oh so sexy. Of course, it is reversible with the black on the back. I now have this in 3 freaking colors. I got this right here, which is the Gucci track jacket. If you guys don't know, this is one of the pieces they also dropped earlier in the season. I'm telling you, literally everything that was hyped all season dropped in the San Francisco store. I took an L on this online. Supreme across the top. This is just a nice little hype beast piece. We got the Velour baseball jersey, yet another hype piece. Like, my man Kais Omar took a picture in this. I did not get a picture in this. This piece is going for pretty, it's going for a pretty penny actually. It's one of the few times the ARC logos do well. The material is so freaking soft, like it's, obviously it's velour, but it looks really dope in person, I'm not gonna lie, because these flowers, like, from certain angles really shine, and then other angles they like look kind of dark, so it looks a little bit more wearable than I originally thought. But yeah, this piece is fucking insane. I kind of wish it wasn't a baseball jersey though, and I wish it was just like a normal rayon. Anyways, we have the Supreme is Love denim jacket in the stone color. This is another piece that's going for like $500 right now. Definitely a crazy freaking, like, the fact that they had these was insane. Look at this. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It is a zip up, which I kind of like. But yeah, I don't know. I didn't really care about it. The more I look at it though, like, this is kind of sick actually. In person, this goes pretty crazy. First of all, we got tees for freaking days. Really, I only got Bible tees and pillow tees because I wasn't really trying to deal with all the other tees. But we got this right here, the Bible tee. Of course, it has the little Supreme right there, Holy Bible. I actually really rock with this t-shirt. It's one of my favorite tees from the season. Then, of course, we got the pillows tee. It just says Supreme. I got this in a couple colors. This is the gray one right here. It just says Supreme and these like different colored pillows. Not my favorite, but it was a pretty hyped tee. One of the more hyped tees that dropped this season as well. And then, of course, we got a couple more. Like I said, I got a plethora of tees, but I really only caught Bible tees and pillow tees because all the other tees were garbage and I already have a bunch of them anyways. Now we have accessories to talk about. We have so many freaking accessories, guys. Okay, this is basically just a big ass bag of accessories. Like, I got so many freaking goods. I got Pelican cases for days. Look at these things, dude. Let me just open up the, ooh, I don't know which one I want to open up, honestly. I'll open up the red one. This is the more hyped one. As you guys can see right here, Supreme on the front. I believe these are waterproof. The printing is actually pretty... Why does it sound like my computer's gonna freaking explode? Ow, fuck balls. Warning, be careful opening if you have long nails. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is completely waterproof. Then with the Pyrex, I got 2 other Pyrex measuring cups. I actually use this. I don't have one on me right now. I'll show you. You know what? I'll go get it. It's nothing really crazy, but of course it has the Supreme branding right here, Pyrex right there, Supreme box logo right there, so you can feel it all the way to the top. And you can see this one is a little bit dusty, a little bit crusty because it is used, baby. I use this to water all of my plants that you see in the background. Just FYI, the more you know. Then we got the lantern, which I'm not gonna open up because I don't want to unfold it, and I do have another one somewhere, but I just don't know where that's at. You got the Supreme Curve brand, which I do have in a gray. This is pretty rare for Supreme to do. I love this yellow, but the yellow was kind of hard to get and sold out before I could acquire it. I got 3 thermoses, 3. Then we got some burner phones. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already saw these, so I'm not gonna open these ones, but the burner phones are fire. I actually even opened it on Instagram. So like I said earlier, if you don't follow me on Instagram, change your life to Starlife, THESTARLIFE, the most fire Instagram in the game. We got the Timex watch. This was one I did take an L on online. I want to find the gold one. There we go. Look at this. Literally one of the most pointless. Who's texting me? I'm not sure if you can see the box logo at all on there, but yeah, it's really not that easy to see. But these watches were going for crazy bread. Definitely a hyped item. I got it in gold and silver. The voodoo doll, which I took an L on. This piece is basically going for retail, but it's just a cool accessory to have. Then I got 3 clear Zippo lighters. 3 of them. No, sorry, they're not Zippos. There's probably already 40 kids in the comments that just went to go type, "That's not a Zippo!" I get it, I know. I'm just so used to them doing Zippo collaborations. But anyways, I actually really like these clear ones. It's got the little box logo on there. It's all clear. It actually looks pretty gas. I'm not gonna lie to you. We got a parajumper. This was the only, I think, only parajumper I got. I think I only got 1 parajumper, which is kind of crazy to me. Never mind, I got 2 of them. But I'm sure I'll get a plethora of these when I open all my online orders. We also got zines. I think they gave these out to every person. Oh, he's wearing the Gons pants. Originally, I thought these cost money, but there was no price in front of it, and I think they gave every single person a zine because every bag that I got, even the ones where I didn't ask for a zine, came with a zine. And I feel kind of weird saying zine right now because I keep saying zine when I should just say magazine. Inside each zine, you have a couple, wait. Did they not give me stickers on this one? Okay, what about this one? Did I get stickers in this one? Yes, so bam, right here, as you can see, we got some stickers that they gave me. A box logo and this weak ass cheese sticker. Let's see right here how many stickers we got. Ooh, my man's hooked me up right here. That was kind of cool. Nice little addition to get, I guess, especially since we drove all the way down there and it was definitely hectic. I got a lot of shit though. I got a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of organizing to do, and then I'm gonna post some of the stuff to Robitussin Poppy, so make sure you guys go follow Robitussin Poppy, which is ROBITUSSINPAPI on Instagram.com. That was kind of weird. I'm not used to spelling that out. Anyways, hopefully you guys like this video, and like I said, if you guys like videos such as this, make sure you smash the like button down below. It really does help the channel grow. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart, and as always, keep it in the star life. Peace the out!